Good morning, Basic Fam. Get the monkey peel peel out your eyeballs. Cause today we get another one. Come with me, come with me. Of his brother Logan.
Brother? Am
And
I a brother?
My brother Ty on the camera.
Amateur. Dun dun dun.
BC Racing Coilovers, baby. Custom made from BC themselves. Yeah, so this is what this came with. Hardware, extra hardware.
Hardware?
So hard right now. Where? Woo! Have all this room to play with to make it lower or higher.
So slam to the ground.
So the only thing that this didn't come with is a tool that you need to hook onto these. We got all these marshmallows in the way. Oh, never mind. I do have. Yeah, we're in business, boys. All right, we're gonna get this install done today. Hopefully. Got the car up on jack stands. Now we gotta take off the wheels, and after that we gotta get into these. So I'm gonna start figuring out how to take off this bar, and then I'll get to the coils. Oh, that was freaking fast. Everybody meet Robbie. Robbie. We'll put his Instagram right here. He's got that side out already.
He's fast. He's a pro already.
No ways.
Just this too.
These two, 17 and 19, and then 314 on the top.
Well done.
You can change this up there. Oh, 17.
Oh, Robbie came in with the save. Okay. And then this can hang.
Yep.
Shoot! Oh, almost dropped that. Garbage!
That's rubbish.
There it is.
It's like calling threads or just gonna take measure the gap from like here to there. Be like from here to here, here to here, or like from here to here.
I'm not gonna do the top side.
Look how fast he is. He's already
I know,
done.
he's a pro.
He's already done.
he's one of the 240 guys.
Working it?
Never trust the impact gun, because I had legs fall off of me before.
Oh,
That's not fun.
arms dangling.
Yo. Literally one of my friends, he was driving down the road from my house and he didn't torque his wheels. One of his wheels just came rolling past him and he was like, oh, my wheel!
That's gotta be the scariest thing
Yeah,
ever, dude.
literally his car just dropped and then she was driving past him. Like, oh.
Ratchet.
We have to run that spacer.
Do we?
Hit the coilovers.
Oh, we do?
Oh.
Oh shit! Might have to go buy those spacers out. So my wheels are hitting my coils, so it's not enough clearance. So Robbie says we need spacers. We got them. Spacers going on right now. Everybody, give my brother a follow. Thanks for coming, man. All right, so we got the fronts on. Look at the poke on that. Alright, let's drop this bad boy. Alright, we took a quick brunch meal break. Quick brunch break. Now we're gonna attack these rears. Got this bar. Gotta take that out and then get to the rear. Should be 212s. And then same process with the front. Alright, the rear is going up on jacks.
I'm always getting ready to be the lowest on the team, hopefully, once we're done with this.
We're gonna try. So we ran into a slight problem. Front wheel spacers that I got, they're just like the slip-on, not the bolt-on type. So my studs are too short now for my tires to go back on completely. So I'm gonna have to buy some actual bolt-on spacers for the front tires. So we have to take out the bar that went across here. Now we gotta take out 2 bolts inside there. Take out these 2 bolts, and then it should be able to come up.
It's a nice size ding on this exhaust pipe right here.
Not too shabby.
Someone slammed it. Oh, is this a straight pipe?
This is like the only thing that doesn't look that rusted under the...
That right there?
Yeah.
No.
Like all the arms and shit, they're all rusted, man.
Oh, looks like you have a straight pipe.
Yep. She go. Oh, look at this. There's a towel for 10 horsepower.
Oh, zoom, zoom. It's not focusing.
Too close.
It's not focusing. Oh, you can see it, but it's not focusing.
Okay, so we just needed to get the top part that was all black off. This thing. So we took out the bottom of the back seats for some reason because we couldn't figure out how to move this thing. These black tabs on the 14 you just pull up and then they come out. In case you didn't know, like me, I'm a dummy. Total newbie, right? But now that we have access to all of this stuff, we got the bar out and we can get these coils in. Let's go, baby. So we're presetting the coils. Try to mimic that one. Maybe just make it a little lower than that one, the previous height. And try and slap it back in.
Put your finger that you can feel the wheel well. Oh,
From the wheel well, there's this much clearance, guys.
yeah. It's sitting pretty.
Maybe tearing a hole through this.
I mean, it looks sexy.
It's in there, boys.
And his fenders aren't messed
Bro.
up.
Thank you for your help, man.
You're welcome. That's what friends do.
Damn, dude. We're tucking. I'm gonna fuck up these fenders. So we're actually a 1/4 inch lower on this side than the other side.
His tire is literally hitting the wheel well.
So now I gotta lower this side, but thankfully we have these coils. It should be an easy job, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
And then he'll be the lowest on the team.
Man, look at this. I have to fucking angle it out.
That's how you know you're low.
So if you're like me and don't really understand how these coilovers work, once you get it in, all you have to do is take out the bottom part so you can adjust the height, lower, higher. Or technically making your car lower is going up, higher is making it go down. Alright, we're dropping it.
Down.
Whew. Tucking, boys, we're tucking.
He's not going down.
What?
I think it's sitting on the jack already, and it's look. His tires are still hanging.
Oh god.
You need bricks. High
Okay.
five. High
Low
five.
life? Low life?
Low life. So how do you feel about how it looks?
Oh man, it's pretty slam. I know that it could go lower, but we just have a few more things to do, like wire tucking, fender rolling maybe, and I want some camber. I want some more camber, so some arms
Soon,
later.
soon.
Arms and stuff later.
And then body kit sitting on the ground.
New wheels after that, body kit, paint job. Shout out to Scott. Thank you for letting us borrow the jack.
Matches the car.
I'm gonna be getting my own soon, so me and Logan can do this on our own time. Readjusting this, gonna make it lower.
It's so low. Oh, bouncy.
Alright guys, welcome back. Day 2. We got Logan with us. We're in the 240.
I never left.
It's maxed out. Front coils, the rears can go lower.
Oh,
We're
bouncy.
just testing out the ride right now. Considering how bouncy it is, it's actually not as bad as it was before. That's the rears. I'm rubbing fenders bad, boys.
I mean, we could lift it.
Do I lift it or do I leave it? I'm gonna have holes in my fucking fenders.
How you do it? Oh, ow.
Tires will pop or what?
Nah, I don't think your tires are popped yet.
I hope my tires don't pop. They're scraping a lot. I haven't even
adjust.
tucked the wires or cut anything yet.
Ah, we taped it up.
No, we should tuck it.
Oh, ow. Oh, is that an X-Runner?
Is that the vinyl wrapping master?
Oh yeah, about that. Someone told me I should go black and white instead of black and green, and I might have to.
think that this side is lower than the other side. The ground that we're wrenching on right now is like off, but
Like your sticker.
we're gonna start with the rears. Oh man, yeah, I fucked it up in there, but
Oh, we'll lift it and see.
we're gonna start with the rears. I'm rubbing up here on my tires, so we're gonna try and measure the other side. Yeah, measure the other
we'll measure
side
first and then fix.
and then see if it's matching. Obviously it's not, because this one's lower. Something's wrong with this side. Fix that and then move on to the fronts, and when we do that, I'll show you the wires.
Woo! That's like nothing right there. Look at that fitment. Doesn't it just make you want to wear your white pants all day? I mean,
I don't know, I'm rubbing the shit out of the fender everywhere I go.
It looks sexy though.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in again. Thanks to all the people who helped me make this possible, especially my brother right here, his cousin Scotty for the jack, and Robbie, you the man for coming randomly. Just coming randomly to help a brother in need.
One of the 240 gods out
Dude,
there.
what would have taken us 2 days to get it in took us half a day because of him. So
Yep.
other than that, I told him that he should probably change up the green and black.
Maybe, yeah. He's saying maybe I should rep Stormtrooper look instead of Green Lantern for now.
I mean, I think black and white is smooth, but black and green is
It
good
does look
too.
nice. We'll see.
Yeah.
I'll figure it out soon.
It's good to change up things every now and then, you know.
You'll find out in a vlog soon.
It'll be fun.
Oh yeah, and if you notice, I'm the new president now. If you watched the last video.
I'm so tired. I messed up on the credits of the past few videos.
No, I became new president. Everybody voted me in, and I feel so special.
You continue to think.
And I want to thank everybody for your votes and your confidence in me. I'll get it accomplished. Thank you.
Wow. All right, guys. Thanks. Shoots.